Hey Trisha, it's Tuesday, February 16th. This video is coming to you in 6 parts. Part 1. I really need a haircut. This is getting bad. It's kind of crazy and long and bad. Part 2. Yeah, I'm getting sick. It's not fun. So I'm taking a lot of meds, so I'm sleeping a lot. More than normal. It's really not good. It's getting bad. Part 3. But my room is clean. Kind of. Part 4. But today in Arnold's class we went over the first essays that we did, and it was easily the worst essay I've ever written in my entire life, counting horrible essays from like middle school. And he ended up giving me a 4 on it. I think it was kind of out of pity, but he said I would have gotten a 1 on AP just because of my horrible handwriting. And so my new goal now is to fix my handwriting. I will. That's one goal I'm setting for myself that I will accomplish. Most likely. He ended up describing my handwriting as a cockroach with a pencil running across a page and frantic, and he described it to the other class as chicken scratch. Too generic. Part 5. Favorite Harry Potter character or characteristics I'd take from them? I'd totally vote for Dumbledore. I don't know why. Dumbledore's always been my favorite character. I'd probably take from him like his insane amount of wisdom and knowledge. And I'd really want his ability to like be old but still have fun and be amazingly childlike. Part 6. Your new topic is, what are your best ways to procrastinate? I know I have some favorites. I know I have some favorite ways to where I'll like start playing around with the computer or watch anime or play video games or read or knit. But what are some of yours? Trisha, I will see you Thursday.